Ju- Juju Bekunare, Manglaba, Kulumka, greetings in Chakma, Marma, Tripura. Dear Madam Chair, Indigenous leaders and your youth representatives, firstly, I would like to express my gratitude towards Indigenous leaders and government officials who have been working tirelessly to involve young people in their agenda. In Bangladesh, Indigenous youth and communities face numerous challenges that hinder their ability to shape their own future. Foremost among these challenges is a lack of recognition of Indigenous people's identity and their traditional practices and rights, especially concerning collective land ownership. Before 2011, Indigenous peoples in Bangladesh were officially recognized as tribal or Upajati in Bengali. However, a constitutional amendment in 2011 reclassified them as small ethnic minority or Khutur Goshti in Bengali, which undermines their identity and rights. Additionally, existing laws, policies, and treaties concerning the rights of indigenous people, such as the Chittagong Hit Rights Regulation 1900 and the CHD Accord, are often disregarded or left unfavored by the state. Despite Article 40 and 23A of the Constitution of Bangladesh emphasizing the state's responsibility to uplift backward sections of the people from all forms of exploitation and to protect and develop the unique local culture and the tradition of the tribes, minorities, ethnic sects, and communities, there is currently no mechanism for the participation of indigenous peoples in the decision-making process. Furthermore, there are no reserved seats for indigenous peoples in parliament, and the Bangladesh government has completely abolished existing quotas for the indigenous peoples in first and second class government jobs since 2019. To ensure the indigenous peoples can fully enjoy their autonomy and rights to self-governance, as a youth indigenous representative for Chittagong Hit Rights, I urge the Bangladeshi government and international community to take the following steps. Recognize the identity and collective land rights and practices
Please
of
slow
indigenous
down
people.
a little bit.
Fully implement the Chittagong Hit Rights Accord 1997 and respect the existing international and national laws and policies, including the CHU Regulation 1900. Ensure the participation of indigenous peoples in political and decision-making process by implementing reserved quotas in parliament and government jobs. Thank you.